In a world where security operations never sleep, Aker Security has redefined how global threats are monitored, assessed, and responded to, with Cyviz at the heart of their mission-critical infrastructure.
Aker Security provides security services for the entire Aker Group. We provide 24/7 emergency and non-emergency security services to all our portfolio companies globally. Solutions from partners like Cyviz allows us to combine advanced visualization tools with our human insight.
We were first introduced to Cyviz when we started the process of planning our new space for Aker Security and creating our new GSOC. We were looking for industry leaders to help us achieve what we wanted to create, and also drawing on experience from elsewhere in the group. We approached Cyviz to help us do that.
So what is the strategic value of the GSOC within the Aker Group?
Our Global Security Operations Center, or GSOC, functions as a centralized hub for dealing with emergency and non-emergency incidents across the group and across our customer base. We also function as an information hub, where the goal is to keep an overview of what happens in the world geopolitically and security-wise, and kind of pick out what's relevant for our customers. So everything that we needed from the room was addressed in the design philosophy from the start. The biggest success is just the creation of a room that really works for those that use it. The flexibility and the collaboration of the room, and this continues to evolve as we get better at using it, and as Cyviz continues to follow up. So having a shared service provider in-house with this kind of technology allows the Aker Group to have a shared operating picture.
How many companies do you work with through Aker Security that are part of the Aker Group?
So the Aker Group is quite broad. It spans industries like oil and gas, renewables, industrial software, seafood, marine biotechnology, and real estate. And our role is to protect these and enable these operations.
So I think we've evolved the way that we work in the GSOC with the Cyviz system. It's allowed us to create more efficient workflows when handling incidents and assessing risk. The system's flexibility and usability is really what enables us to operate in new ways to fit the changing customer needs. And it's also scalable, so we can actually change as the group changes. And it's also a system that has kind of challenged us and challenged the way that we work, and challenged us in creating new workflows for better efficiency, better cooperation across the functions in the room. And the journey hasn't really ended when the room was finished. It's kind of an evolving process where we learn to use the system better, and Cyviz is kind of guiding us in how to get better use out of the room.
What does the future look like for Aker Security?
So we can't really predict how the security threat landscape evolves, but I think what we can do is make sure that we are as prepared as possible to deal with it. And we want to be able to uncover, predict, monitor and alert relevant stakeholders to the risks that are relevant to them. And this is where the scalability and flexibility of the Cyviz system comes in, where we're able to connect new data sources and new data points as our context changes. We're really looking forward to continuing our journey with Cyviz and to keep evolving together.